See, it's April 4th, Monday. This is about 6:30 Central. This could probably change by the time opening bell comes around. But nonetheless, I just want to take a peek at this real quick here. Here's the Nasdaq, the daily. Not gonna go too much into detail, but I mean, it looks like there's some support here. Prices being bought so far. Not convinced yet that we're gonna head back higher. Although it does kind of look it, but we'll see. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. Yeah, it's trying to get above both clouds here in the 4 hours. So let's take a look at the S&P real quick. Same thing with the 4 hour in the S&P. And the price is trying to get above the clouds there. I think the daily's probably looking the same. Yeah, same thing. We'll see. I mean, there may be good opportunities for scalping and so forth, but I'm not gonna go over that. Just want to go over the indices real quick here. Here's the Russell. Yeah, I mean, some price consolidation here, just to just some sideways action here. Of course, scalping's totally different. It can give you opportunities. I mean, you can do well within 2 minutes. It just depends where the momentum takes you during that little course. So that's the Russell. Let's take a look at gold. I do like what I see in precious metals, and this also looks like a little price consolidation here within the metals, within gold. It's looking pretty good. Basing itself, you should get a move upwards, but we'll be ready for a move, going downwards also. I am long. The first video I did yesterday shows a few gold miner positions. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, let's see silver. Yeah, it's kind of doing the same thing. This thing. Yeah, it's trying to curl back up. So, how about crude oil? Slightly up. It hasn't really gone lower than this 98, 99, maybe 97 range. Here's that upward channel in the daily here. But this is the thing with oil. I mean, here's the monthly, right? I mean, this is dating back to 2008, July 2008. I mean, this is a major multi-year breakout. I mean, this is big. I mean, almost seems that regardless of the war and all that's going on, I mean, this was going to happen. I mean, it was charting itself out. So, one can think whatever, but as some of us say, the charts don't lie. And so we're back to the daily, and here's that upward daily channel, and price is just sitting right above it. So it's pretty interesting that it's actually doing that. Could we dip lower? Yeah, we can do. I mean, there's nothing set in stone. That price has to do whatever it is we think it's going to do. I mean, you just got to be ready for anything. So, on another note, I did forget to mention I am in CCJ. I'm down though. I started kind of just getting my feet wet on Friday. Just going into the weekend, you just never know what's going to happen, and I just figured, let me get my feet wet. I got plenty of time. These are my options here, and from the looks of it, let's see if I can here's a 2 minute, but no, it's too noisy. I just pre-market action right here. It's not giving us much, but it is higher than the close on Friday. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let me see if tech, some of the other stocks I'm holding. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, anything can change, pre-market. The volume's not. It's not the same, as to when the market opens. And Vale has been going up a little bit. Kind of taking a little dip here, pre-market. Let's see. LAC, same thing. Yeah, so I mean, this isn't. It, you know, anything can happen by the time the opening bell comes around. Let me see gold. I'm also in gold. I think I just felt rushed. I didn't want the video to be so long, but I do have a position. This was a little early. I am in the money, but I have been in for a while, so it hasn't really done much. But I just need a little pop here and close them out. No big deal. And then I'll situate myself a little better. I usually have different trenches. Maybe like as an example, these that are 46 days out. Then I'll have another trench at 74 days out, and I just kind of cycle them as price moves. I'll close out the ones that are closer to expiry. But I'm still holding on to these. These, yeah, they're down right now, but you guys know with options, we just need a little move. And the way metals are looking right now, I mean, we get it, we're good. If not, hey, it's okay. Reset, reassess, and the move will come. It's coming. So I'll leave y'all with that. You know what? Let me touch on Apple real quick. Let me see what. There was something I just want to point out on Apple. Let me start with the monthly, and I was gonna do it again late last night, but come on, chart. There we go. So in the monthly, you can see price. Let me just remove all this. I'll leave that there. So you can see price in the monthly. I mean, for a few months now, it goes down, gets bumped back up, goes down, gets bumped back up. So there's got to be some kind of support here, buyer support. I mean, it just, take it now to the weekly. You can kind of see the action there. Price coming down, getting bought back up. It's going to look a little different, right? It's a smaller time frame from the monthly. Then the daily, obviously a lot more noisier, right? So as we get to smaller time frames, it's a lot noisier. So Friday, I mean, just look at this rip, man. And I missed this. I just didn't take it. I just didn't think that we were gonna rip this high or for this many days. Now we're taking a dip. Price bounced. Didn't really get to the 20, but it was in between the 8 and 20. Got bought back up. Curious to see how today's daily will look, but I mean, definitely Apple could present itself like, if you see this little bunch right here, I don't even know how to explain this thing, but see my clouds, right? The 820 and the 3450. Obviously the 820 went above the 3450, right? One could have started getting long somewhere in here, start nibbling, and once you get a little better confirmation that the move might go, you can go ahead and add. And just, I mean, price just really followed the AEMA. Yeah, it took a little dip here and there, but you can, I mean, be scaling out along the way, and taking new trades if you want to scalp, you can get back in. But just this 1 hour rip, these type of swings, like, this is what I like taking. Along with maybe a longer position, like I just explained, like having different trenches. I could have a trench of options that are 70 days out or 40 something days out, but then I'll play these. I look for these 1 hour setups, and I'll play them with like 30 days or 20 days or something, and that's it. Get that pop, and I'm out. That's it. You're done. So this type of little setup, maybe we'll get that here. You know, maybe we'll get that here today, or starting today. You know, this week or something. So I don't know. Be on the lookout for that. I like trading Apple as well. So I'll leave y'all with that. Have a good one.